Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter N. In this lesson, you will be able to recognize pictures beginning with the sound of the letter N. At the same time, you will be able to read words beginning with the sound of the letter N. Are you ready? N is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter N. How to write the uppercase letter N? Use two strokes to write the uppercase letter N. Start at the blue headline. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Next, go to the starting point. Slant right to the blue baseline. Push up straight to the blue headline. This is a lowercase letter N. How to write the lowercase letter N? Use one stroke to write the lowercase letter N. Start at the red midline. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Push up and curve forward to the right and pull down to the blue baseline. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter N. N is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter N sounds as Hear
the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise. Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise.
Let's read the consonant-vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. N, no, knob. N, ne, neck. N, knee, knit. N, no, nod. No, nuts. Now, let's practice. No, ne, ni, no, no. Ne, no, ni, no, no. No, ni, ne, no, no. No, no, ni, ne, no. Now kids, it's your turn. No, nop. Na, napkin. Ne, neck. Ne, necktie. Ne, Neptune. Ne, nest. Ne, net. Ni, nib. Ni, ninja. Ni, nipple. Ni, knit. No, nod. No, north. No, nose. No, notebook. No, no. No, notes. No, nuggets. No, nurse. No, none. No, nuts. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter N. Nop, napkin. Neck, necktie. Nest, net. Nib, ninja. Nipple. Knit, nod. North, nose. Notebook. Nurse. None. Nuts. No. Notes. Nuggets. Neptune. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant-vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is na, napkin. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is ni, nipple. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is na, nop. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is Ne, net. The beginning sound of the picture is ne, neck. The beginning sound of the picture is no, numbers. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is ne, necklace. Check the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter N. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. These are the pictures whose names begin with the sound of the letter N. None, nine, notes, nail, nest, necktie. Practice writing the letter N on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.